Hello everyone, Grade 9 Mathematics, Lesson number 23, Area, 4th video. The area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we can do an activity. At first, take a piece of paper and draw a circle and divide the circle into maximum possible number of sectors by drawing the straight lines through the center. Color half of the circle as shown in the figure. Separate out all the sectors by cutting along the drawn lines. Place the separated sectors such that a rectangular shape is obtained as shown in the figure. Actually, it's not a rectangle. In many times, it's like a parallelogram. Because of why? If we divide the circle into a large number of sectors, then only we can obtain a rectangle by pasting the sectors. But if we divide it into a small number of sectors, then it will be like a parallelogram. But it's not a matter. Okay, let's go to construct the formula to find the area of a circle. Okay, you know the circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. So the length of the rectangle is half of 2 pi r. So it's 5 r. Breadth of the rectangle is equals to the radius of the circle. You know, area of the rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So now we can substitute the values. A equals 5r into r. Now we can simplify it. So A equals 5r squared. And you know the area of the circle must be equal to the area of the rectangle. Because of why? We didn't waste the paper. We used all the sectors to create the rectangle. Therefore, the area of the circle is equals to 5r squared. In here, what is the value of the 5? 5 is equals to 22 over 7, or approximately we use the value 3.142 as the 5. First one, find the area of a circular lamina of radius 7 centimeters. Okay, let's go. Area is equals to 5r squared. So, at first we should substitute the values. A is equals to 5. What is the value of 5? 22 over 7 multiplied by 7 into 7. In here I am expanding the r squared because of y. Then it's very easy to simplify and obtain the answer. Now simplify the expression and find the answer. 1 7 to 7, so the rest is 22 multiplied by 7. So the answer is 154 squared centimeters. Why I am putting here the squared centimeters? Yeah, we are finding the area, so the unit should be squared centimeters or squared meters. Number 2, find the area of a circular lamina of radius 3.5 meters. Area of a circle is equals to 5r squared. So I'm substituting the values. 5 is equals to 22 over 7 and the radius is 3.5. So A is equals to 22 over 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. 3.5 is the half of 7. So I am removing the common factor 3.5. 1 3.5 for 3.5, 2 3.5 for 7. So again I am removing the factor 2. 11 twos for 22. 1 twos for 2. So it will remain only 11 into 3.5. So the answer is 38.5 squared meters. Third one, calculate the radius of the circular lamina of area 616 squared centimeters. Area is equals to 5r squared. So we can substitute the values. We know the area is 616 and 5 is equals to 22 over 7 and we don't know the value of the radius. So 616 is equals to 22 over 7 multiplied by r squared. Now we should solve the equation. To solve this equation, at first we should remove 7. It's divided by 7, so we should multiply both sides by 7. Then remove the common factors and simplify. Then you will obtain 7 multiplied by 616 is equals to 22r squared. So to remove the 22, we should divide both sides by 22. 122 for 22 and 28 22s for 616. 7 into 28, it's 196. So r squared is equals to 196. Now we should find the value of r. No. Here r squared is equals to 196. So we should remove the square. To remove the square, we should put the square root to both sides. When you are solving this type of questions, it's better if you can remember the square and square root of the numbers. It means it's better if you can remember the first 15 square numbers. How much the square root of 196? Yeah, it's 14. When you are putting the square root sign, we should put plus or minus to the answer. So r is equals plus or minus 14. However, the radius cannot be a negative value. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 14 centimeters. Number 4. If the radius of the given circle is 7 centimeters, find the area of the shaded region. At first, we can find the area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So, I am substituting values. A1 is equals to 20 multiplied by 18. 20 into 18, it's 360 square centimeters. Now we are going to find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is equals to 5r squared. Now you should substitute the values. 5 is equals to 22 over 7 and r is equals to 7. So A2 is equals to 22 over 7 into 7 into 7. Do the simplifications. 1 7 to 7. So 22 multiplied by 7. So the area of the circle is equals to 154 square centimeters. Now we should find the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, we should subtract the area of the circle from the area of the rectangle. So I am substituting the values. 360 minus 154. So the answer is 206 square centimeters. Do the activity number 4. To continue the lesson, you should watch the next video.